We go through a set of guided steps to configure the instance at first boot. Major steps include accepting the license agreements, specifying the location of the EC2 certificate and keys that we copied to this instance, specifying and mounting the EBS volume we created in the previous step, creating DB2 users, and starting the DB2 server. We create a database called SaaS DB. We connect to the database and we import the DDL file for the sample application. Next, we provision the UI, services, and security layer components on the WebSphere Smash AMI. As with the DB2 AMI, we find the AMI and launch it using the AWS Management Console. We connect to the WebSphere Smash AMI instance. We attach the two EBS volumes with the Smash instance. We mount the two EBS volumes in the instance at Home Smash Apps and Home LDAP. We install OpenLDAP and copy its configuration file to the EBS volume. We create two directories in the EBS volume for storing two OpenLDAP databases for the two tenant banks. We add the configuration for the sample application to the OpenLDAP configuration file. We launch the OpenLDAP server. We add a default set of users and groups for each tenant bank. We log on as a Smash user and unzip the Smash application zip files for the two tenant banks into the EBS volume. We enter the database information in the Smash configuration file for the two tenant banks. We run the zero resolve and run commands to start the Smash application for First Bank. We open another terminal and go to the Smash Bank 2 folder and run the same commands to start the Smash application for WebBank. We update the host file to introduce two fictitious URLs for the two tenant banks, bank1.com and bank2.com. We create two Apache HTTP server document root directories and a configuration file with two virtual hosts and reverse proxy rules for each tenant bank. We start the Apache HTTP server. Next, we test the sample application. We add the host names for the two tenant banks in our host file. We enter the application URL for First Bank. And we enter the application URL for WebBank. In conclusion, we have shown how a multi-tenant SaaS application built on IBM WebSphere Smash and DB2 can be rapidly deployed to the Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud using a few simple steps. Developers can easily scale their applications by repeating these simple deployment steps on additional EC2 instances. When using the developer AMIs, developers get charged at an hourly rate only for the usage of Amazon's EC2 resources. In the near future, developers will also be able to deploy to production AMIs for an hourly charge. IBM has innovative resources and programs to help you manage change and become relevant in the software as a service market. Whether you're an ISV, system integrator, or reseller, we can provide education, support, and benefits to help you grow revenue and differentiate yourself. The first step will be to join the SaaS community. you will automatically be kept aware of new SaaS technical benefits and workshops and get the enablement help that you need to transform your application for delivery in the IBM Software as a Service model. Then, as a member of the IBM SaaS community, you can register at the Virtual Innovation Center, VIC, where you will get personalized access to product support and education to help build your software as a service knowledge and skills. As an advanced level member of Partner World, you have the opportunity to gain access to additional marketing and sales support by qualifying for the software as a service specialty. For more information, visit our main site at ibm.com/partnerworld/SaaS.